Today, I'm going to be reviewing Apimaye's four queen mating nuke. As you can tell, my voice isn't the way it should be. So if there's something you didn't understand, post a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. First, I want to show you that this is a thermal hive, which means it's insulated all the way through. The cover, you see, it has ventilation on both sides. Now we're going to get to the mating nuke. See, the mating nuke has 4 individual feeders, and this is good for when you want to check on the bees and the queen. You don't have to take off everything and expose all the bees and the queens at once. You can just remove one of the feeders and only work on one side at a time. Now inside, you have 4 plastic feeders. Now these feeders do come apart, just like this. Take about a 2-inch strip of wax, and you lay it inside here, and then you put it back together. And it just snaps back together. And I like the size of this because it gives the bees a lot of room to build comb, and for the queen to lay eggs, and for them to store honey. Now, as you can see, it has 1 for each side. Now, as far as the bee entrances, you have here an entrance here for the bees and an entrance here. There's also 2 entrances on the other side, but you also have an entrance here. Where the bees can come in and out of. There's also one of these entrances on the other side. Along with that, if it's raining, you can slide a cover over it. Just like that. The bees can sit on the landing without getting wet. Another thing I like about this is that along with this 4 queen mating nuke, you get these things. As you can see, these attach to the frame. Take another one. You attach it just like so. And then it's actually the size of a regular frame that you can take these and put inside a regular hive and have the bees draw it out. And then you can take them when they're drawn out and put them in here, just like that. It also has some good ventilation on here. I'm going to remove the top piece. it has this ventilation here. As you can see at the bottom, it's got 4 ventilation holes. Now, I've seen some queen castles, and sometimes I wondered how they're able to feed each individual castle. But as you can see, plus exposing other sections of the bees when you want to work on one side, or maybe some frames in the middle. But in this one, because you have each individual, you can remove one feeder and you can work on and check your queen. And as you can see, it holds a good amount of syrup. There's one thing that I don't like about this, and I always like to be honest, it's the price. The cost of this 4-queen mating nuke, it's $230. I don't believe that it would be worth spending that amount of money on a queen castle like this. I understand it's well made, but the cost, I think, outweighs the benefits. And with that, I'll see what they can do about lowering the price. Like I said, this is a good queen mating nuke. Actually, it's one of the best I've ever seen made. So, with that, I want your thoughts on it. Please comment below and tell me what you think about this 4-queen mating nuke. Talk to you later.